Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. It has been a lovely summer and it's great to be back, and what better way than to have the newest collection of Harry Potter Lego sets. So this is the Hogwarts Whomping Willow. So here's what the box looks like in the front. There's so many characters we have here. We have Argus Filch, Severus Snape, Seamus Finnegan, Hermione Granger, Ron Weasley and Harry Potter. And here's the front. And here's the back. So this is what the set is going to look like. I cannot show you the whole assembly on a video, but let's see the parts that we get. So let's get all the parts out. So you can see there's a lot to assemble. There's Hedwig. And these are the parts. There's the tree part. And here's the instructions. Ooh, there's stickers. Here are some stickers. That is so cool. Ooh, there's a lot of extras. So they also came out with Fantastic Beasts merchandise, which is awesome. I love the movie as well. And here are all the characters. I love it. Here's the parts list. And this is the instructions. Let's see what the other one is. Is there more instructions? Oh, yeah. More instructions. So yeah, this is book 1 and that's book 2. So I'll be assembling this off camera, but I will show you what it looks like. So this is our complete Hogwarts Whomping Willow Lego set, and let's look at the awesome car in the Whomping tree. So this is the car, it rolls and we have Harry and Ron inside. This is an awesome car. And other characters, we have Hermione over there, Hedwig in the tower, then we have Argus Filch, which is the guard, the night guard. Then we have my favorite character, of course, Professor Snape. Let's look at here. So here is Snape. I love Snape. Let's put him back. And then we have a new boy. We have Seamus Finnegan, which you don't see a lot. This is an awesome Lego set. I love the car, that's my favorite part, and obviously the tree. I love that you can move the branches, so like in the movie when the car hits the tree. So you can recreate that in your play. Thank you so much for watching this week, and if you have not already subscribed, then please do so and leave me a thumbs up if you like the video and if you love Harry Potter as much as I do, and I will see you next time. Bye!